In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checklists to Trello cards. If you've ever wanted a simple way to break a task into smaller, trackable actions, Trello's checklists are perfect. They live right inside each card so you can keep everything organized without jumping to another tool. Start by opening the card where you want the checklist to live. Click the card to open its detailed view, sometimes called the card back. This is the space where you see all the card's information, description, activity, attachments, and a panel on the right that lets you add features. Make sure you're on the correct card before you proceed, because your checklist will be attached to this specific item on your board. On the right-hand side, look for the Add section. Within that panel, click Checklist. This is the built-in Trello feature designed for task breakdowns. It's easy to miss if you're new to the interface, so remember it sits with other add-on options like members and labels. Next, you'll be asked to name your checklist. Give it a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later. Something like to-do list works, but you can be more specific if it helps. For example, research tasks or launch prep. Clear names are especially helpful when you have more than one checklist on the same card. Once you've typed the title, click Add. Trello will instantly create the checklist area within your card, ready for your items. Now it's time to populate your checklist. In the Add an Item field, type the first task you need to complete. Keep each item focused and action-oriented. Start with a verb and keep it short so you can quickly scan the list. When you're done typing, press Enter on your keyboard or click. Add to drop that item into the checklist. Repeat this process for each task you want to include. You can add as many items as you need, and you can always refine the wording later if you want it even clearer. As you build your list, think about the order that makes the most sense for your workflow. Group similar tasks together and name items consistently so they're easier to review at a glance. The result is a neat, structured outline of everything required to move the card forward. And that's it. You've opened your card, added a checklist from the Add section, given it a helpful title, and added your tasks using the Add an Item field. With these steps, your Trello cards become more actionable, easier to track, and far less overwhelming.